Abusanfo, adwenchele dinti. It's only in the Ghanaian community. Ena, wodi ade beye obi. Na nipa no, na ninye ho. Na obe voice out. Na no so yebenya nipa bi no ma be gina ho. Asan be blast nipa na wodi ade na ye no na nani anye ho no. Hey, Ghana fo. Ye nsuban bi wo ho a na meka se Ghana fo bi no ye nsuban bi wo ho a ya agensem. Hwe, maami agrada adwenchele di. Se maame ne ye no kwafo a ma share ni video so many occasions, so many time. Oye ni show no talking point show no. Mentan maame no kra some time ago kra no me reach out senka me pe no kra interview no. Me ni bibia against the woman. But ade a me ho ni say no. Onu timi ye show e discuss bibia e koso bia freely. But se bibi koso na nye na wo beka bi pe na chese wo tan maame no. Eno ni me problem a adenti na yen Ghanaians no so obi ye bibi na nye na se onu betimi a voice out aka nipa kro na nima na se aka sem ni bi a kire na adwen na emom no onu no ye bibi na sanko yie na obi be kire na adwen dia na nipa kro no wono de woye otamfo ana otan maame no eho ne me problem na nyame anim ne no kre entokwa ne niam a ekoso social media so yi mani tua ne nyina me meka bi da me pesa me ba beka bi nso to be honest ade e masa asem we say me beka bi eye unbreakable Joyce Blessing. The lady is very respectful. Say nyina ka say mind back eniema sa lady we nkrofo de na go through no a me amete hey enkasa mic e koji free ne nsem o stage say me a ho asotro nka me yi sa lady no kami so o twahwe o stage no so a wonti me kra sole but eniema be brain na girly nkrofo de aye na yeah why show any kind of disrespectful behavior bia enti edru ba bia aya momien steady ade kakra what I say see ebeka no krepa onyame anim se ye se ya repent ene evangelist dia enya momien ka se mind back eniema na nagrada de di Joyce Blessing e woni TV so ni nyina girl ya meka one word onyi ano da onka hwe da enti se ne se mami agrada ye flyer na so watimi de Joyce Blessing ato flyer no so without informing her, without contacting her. Na just say ya sompa wo wi ase wo bisho just say this is shameful, disgraceful and just stupidity. Because me dwen niam bi ho amenti ase how can say wo beka say wo ye flyer no obi atena say design ade na se sankrofo pictures eguso without even asking them say oh sister many jonyom ho na nagrada minimpa so the Joyce Blessing enyum di asa opele di nyum years ago no opena se but me say girl no awawe mu sensem ba yi na maame no edo a o malady ni sa fade out I don't know but how so be mu obi atena se a design flyer na wodi nkrofo pictures eguso na sa nkrofo na do pictures eguso no obi ohokra bi kura woni o manum otu kwan ana bi kura wo yare enti ni sabane sa de na chese wodi nkrofo pictures no egu flyer no so e dey attracting nkrofo e dey etu hu keke na chese just to deceive the public sana me hu no ana say deceive your fans because Joyce it me ba bontin be ka say me ni woni agreement can say agreement bia say wodi me picture beto flyer so me ni wonya adamfo me nim hwe fa say wodi me picture ato o flyer so no enti yi me picture through flyer so a me nuanom it's a big disgrace, very very big disgrace. Wo betimi aka so a promo 2 show no a promo 2 whatever but still it's a disgrace. Mo me yanka no kre it's a disgrace pa enti me de ade ba ko ha me adwenchele di mpesa me kire madwen wasem we ho ne say Sadia ha Joyce Blessing na onu ani image eye ne picture and the picture na wo de ato flyer no so no and also will tell the relationship between you and the lady into one person wo no be ye ebenya adamfo fa bia enu nti no aba bonten say yi me picture free wa de no so because me ni woni twaka bia enti enu nti no picture na onu ani picture o enye se bia obi picture bi e na wo beka ho ase onu ankasa ni image and to every right so obeka kire maame say take my picture off your flyer but at the end of the day ye nyankrofo bi no mabetena say blasige didi na tam chesa me e ka kire ni so onye obi a ne ho nkro no ba so onye obi a de a wonim so onye obi a why do you put her picture on your flyer Why? So Nyobia, she's not worth it. People don't like her. She's nobody in Ghana. Then why do you have to put her picture on your flyer? Now do ma koma maame no. No omo de nato flyer no so. It's simple as that. And the Ghana for nya mesi anka no kre. Ye nsu ba bi nya nice. Nya me anim ni. Ye nsu ba bi nya nice. Me nim say mama agrada o so many young men na omo di na chi omo boa no woni ne ma oyim. Me nuanom, wontu maame no for what? Se mutu no fo nso no wontie nso a mo pepanimfo bi no mutu no fo. Sente sa nso a me advice kakra dwechele di me di be mam mranti a mudi Nana Agrada echi Enoch specially. Enoch, me no wakasada. I'm very disappointed at you. Enoch, I'm very disappointed at you. He me wo ba be mu ani age ti sa wo Enoch wa. Na uko school do baby a boys a mo wo Ghana ya na mo wo efie education no mo san wo nyansa. So what I say? Mo san wo chese efie nyansa. Mo wo school education se kan se mo san wo fie nyansa. Enti Enoch tan bia me hu wa. Yeah, now I picture you as my own son. Me no wakasa one day on the phone. You were so nice. You and I had a very nice conversation. What I say? Now, in fact, Enoch, who crowned the most important person and me, Adunchele di me, very disappointed at pa. Because I heard they wako school. Yes, wako law school. Me who say Ghana so what na when yini into wo fie nyansa no and come the mranti edi na grade nyina echi to nchan ya wo Enoch, only the most important person. What say wo utimi je bibi de boa maame no he on my opinion Nana Agrada na kasa aka no abontin so many occasions na me na meka say wanko school enura chiri enu memblemu no nipa bebre na anko school enura chiri e wo Ghana entinyi wono nkwanti enye nwanwa but wo yo ba na ni edin me ade amani gi wo maame no ho ne say wo ye fighter nani edin ye wo fie bi wo ha ofri mu a ho kyere ene kyese ohia bubro but we are fighting way out so ye in the wrong way so ye in the right way ye mfa ne say we are fighting way out nani edin so what I say enti enne no die maami na duru no me mfa ne say social media no so no maami we say me nso me ma no be say free in the 50s kwa na say bia almost 50 nani afi social media no beto no kwam to onye too familiar with a lot of things mo na mo kire no on the other hand no so education level no enru mum rante ebi no ma mudi na chi so what I say and there are so many things am amene lack in life was social media so and niam bebre wo ho a Enoch mo na wo mo setting it down na mo kire no say mama you find this channel yes Joyce Blessing you used to like her now wonye ne yadamfo na wo pe na asem wo na pe no nwumo no otimi beto nwumo wo bibia asema wo say na mo nsem akoke kafa no ho wo TV ni so nti ne bia no wadwaw enti me contact Joyce na yenhwe se wo beba ye show na se a na enokra no yenye some kind of reunion bi na ye mama say hu say at least wo bufu no keka ansem kra wo de achew won so de ache na wo ye abode foforo enti no masquash mu beef no kada will be wonderful ka oni Joyce betimi ahyehye na nka wa frɛ no na wo de na kasa na ma plan bibi na ma ya as surprise some kind of ayibi na ma ya enka chesa at the end of the day nkrofo be kasa wow Nana Agrada was a sampa Joyce Blessing was a very forgiving lady. But the way I'm far, I we the lady picture got to flyer sweet. I'm a Joyce what I say, Mama voice out. One son can cast a bon shanium. What do you know, Mamma? No much more radio, so my TV swinging now 1 minute. But then, or just idea way I'm ya, she can't take it anymore. And she just have to voice out. Now voice it out to ya. We have a brand new so on so bad and I say about disrespecting a bit dinatem. Are they? Mo kage na kasa boashe ne mo man voice out edi pedro baby no obi ya wade na tete wo a voice it out no be ma wo no ankasa no otimi hu say why you free ade na mo tete ge ne sa wo bo na so mo sie nsu wo di jashe no wo sie ntiem sa na mo de ye lady no it's enough is enough Enoch I'm very disappointed at you. Wupan, I'm here disappointed. Me who is Nana Agrada husband. He's a very nice young man. I will worry mommy. And come who is a man or education more than the lady. Nanyanko should be able to weigh in film pade and the ball benty. And come make us a mammy no bet me a brain who has yama papano. Na papana leading on aqua guiding one near maybe. But me who is a beer. Na mammy no man who can and manikuno no ancient. ebi no be one of the problem enti nka mom ranche ya mo abonten ya oni mu move kobo oni mu di asay enka wo Enoch especially me picture as my own son bia ase wako school aduru baby a say wo na se bi nka me o ma me panin nka bia me ye illiterate and ase man ko school enu akiri a ka me look up to niam tinkiti bi mo be guide me say ma menye say yese ti na grada na ebi kura na koma mu no wa fa wo te se ne ba ebi asebi o ma de na enso so no ne ma ntimi ntia na na omutimi nka bibi nkire na wo Enoch no ma me na fa wo te se ne ba. Brother Enoch, I'm very disappointed at you. Please get up for the woman. This is not fair. This is disgraceful. Mo mama me ni mu gu asedodo. Me nim se mo benya mo ani bia mo ma be di matem. It's okay. This is my first time I'm making an grad asem. It would the mo fa fake account and me di matem video ya say that's fine. But me kind of crash remo. So wo Enoch especially, I'm very highly disappointed at you. And him guase a me adwinchele di me show social media issue nyina one at a time. Ma me ko gina closet mu ko show Gucci and Cabani one ne sa ne ma o yen. Fire is too shameful. Ah, my goodness. Me nuanom. Hwe se ma me no hwe ne dibia na waduru no. Me no me ni Ghana hobi. Me ma na so ye da. Ti me nim se your friend is saying, Wabu obi and what dia ye wo mu obi no dia ye obi am evidence. I be mama gia to say yes, Wabu obi. But in the near me social media show keka no. Or no one is some more than no keka social media show ne de. And they me aware of it. And they me hu ni nyina. Me mafia obi me do obi passport akoto be hwan ne sa ne ni tua ni nyina. So atiase. Na nyamie ni no nokore. Ebi wo ho a wo ya na wotena sidi no akọ school na woni mra no woni abie wa brabo mu watimi say this woman, this is not fair. Minianom ebi nye fair. Mamu disgrace ma me ne sa enye o. Hwe yemfa ne sese bi wono kra no wo ye oba na ni so wo hye tutu asem ne niam bia eduru ba bia momfa sabi de munye free no ho no nto nchen kakra na mo man advice mama we dear, this is not the right way to do it. Yenye ni say Joyce nanka open asempa. Joyce ya we say open asempa. Enti yem frɛ no yema obi contact no. Sa apology keto bi kra mo fen koma no mo ne squash bibia backstage. Enti sa de Thanksgiving ya mo so mo be yeduru ho a. Na say Joyce ba it's a surprise to everybody. Na at the end of the day no, mo ne Joyce akambo mo atuntum nyame na nwum a wo de abebe new fan ya me kra mo de bia to so adwinkyere show hey. Mo di mabobbo bi na mo have fun. Life is short. You guys have to have fun with one another. But mama no enemy new member, this is not fair. This is not fair. It's not. The way I get away say, I didn't hand an hour voice out to pa motimi asamo be a bit jina hosan be digger and atom. In fact, a video me share on Facebook or my very disappointed. Say and it's a be her lady and more voice out to home. To on the one time another beer no the umpesa mudi and be a mufenya no dia and you're right. But anagrada, trust me, I didn't lady, I like you so much. Me pobi anani so ohye me mama my ye man ko assess me ni me sister penny back ye me enu ni ani so ohye wom. To be honest with you, I may look boring or quiet for you, but me suban ye kura me no se me nya nyi na di nkyere wo a e mo adwenya wo se me ye quiet enti enu nti no ama wo no me ni je wo ho wo ene man kitinkiti bi ho pa. To be honest with you, you may not believe me but I do. Banana with decisions no ene ma bi wo ho a wo ja. It's not right and fatal and fatal. What I say we want go school cry in the position where bedroom no we ye raba and we say we behave as such and ye maybe o enye ade we yi a we de to flyer so a raba picture de to flyer so a wotimi aba bonti aba voice at one nwene da say obi a we de na to flyer no so bia no say one contact no cry one nwene da so obetimi aba bonti aba voice out am oni magu ase enti no who cares, let's just put them there just to deceive the public. But at the end of the day, one will say the joy is idea before I voice it out in a nice way, or voice it out when they do be at him in a very nice way. But at the end of the day, it's shameful and disgraceful, whether you believe it or not. So Rebecca say you promote to one then you, it's a disgrace. It's very a disgrace. I think. And in the minute ben my friend is saying, Enoch. Wona me target 2 year power this issue me power chow me hu se na nagrada apewasem me hu se maame no o look up to you in so many things to help me nua sorry gina mama me kakra wate enye mo disgrace ni too much enye nice position na waduru no se mo so evangelist fine, it's okay we repent it also evangelist yate Momwano na o make good choices and right choices. Because this thing's party. Now, I say she's still in her notorious behavior, no, deceiving behavior. No. I say, or that's who. Because all will be picture to flyer. So now I'm on a money, or no so inviting baby, I won't contacting and nothing. Not to say you were deceiving your friend is saying your friends. What I say now, you were disrespecting the lady as well. And you know, what could school enough? You are raised from the scratch, our Ghana. And you wouldn't fear manners. It is a mamma no crana, Sabi, and you saw she, and now say, maybe or why. One should then pay attention to her, or your bata will crown Kola Kunu, and you may be or beer. One should then pay attention to her. Montrana Mamma, eno, because they're more and you're nice. More good mamma who feel pa. Now, this particular thing, dear, to me, you know, I'm very disappointed, and it's very shameful to all of you, honestly. Madam was, I didn't share lady.